Hey guys, how are you? I'm sure you guys are doing great. So guys, today in this video, I am starting the MCSA and today is day 1. So day 1 we are going to download these softwares. So I'm going to share the entire detail from where you have to download the software. I want you guys to perform the practical as I go, and as well you start your practicals along with me, so that practical knowledge and practice makes always a man perfect. If you want to be a perfect man into the IT field, definitely the way I'll teach you, the way I'll show you practical, you have to do it yourself, so that if you have any doubt, you can comment down below. So definitely today in this video I'm going to share the resources from where you can download the Windows servers and operating systems as well. So watch this video till end. My name is Manjeet Singh. You're watching your own channel Tech Guru Manjeet English. To share the resources from where you want to download, so let me take you to computer screen. There we'll see that. So guys, we are on a computer screen. So as you can see, Google is open here. So first of all, you need to write a search for Microsoft Server 2022. Once you click on that, you can see the first link, which is the official website of a Microsoft. And the best part of Microsoft is they always release with some trial versions. You can say they give you some time to test the entire their operating systems, and or maybe the servers, or maybe the normal computers. So that is the best part with the Microsoft. Let us see for try Windows Server to 2022 how many days it is offering us to test the entire thing, right? So you can say they are offering for 180 days. 180 days is sufficient to do the entire thing. So you can see here they are saying to get start for free, which select the platform, you can say, right, which platform you want. So I wanted to download the ISO file, so I have checked this. If you want Azure, if you are trying on Azure or VMware or maybe the VHD, but I need ISO file. So I click on the continue. Here you have to enter your name, right? You can enter your name, first name, last name, and company name. If you don't have, so you can leave it blank, or maybe write anything, right? Say for example ABC, right? If the company size, they will ask company size, you can select 1. Job, you can say the IT or technical manager, or work email ID, you can write any email ID which you want. Country, you can select the country, so I'll select the India. After that, you have to just click on the continue button. Once you click on the continue button, they will ask you to select the language, which language you prefer. So I prefer English, whatever your language, you can prefer that, and click on the download button. Once you click on the download button, so now you can see download is started. So this is complete 4.7 GB, which will take another 1 hour or so. So this is how you should download your servers. If you want 2016 or 19, you can do the same the way I have downloaded this 2022. Right, we'll do everything, every practical, 100% practical on this server, Windows Server 2022. Right. Apart from that, we need computers, right? Normal computer operating system. So also you can download that. Like you have to type Windows 10 OVA, right? So if you click on that, you can see the first link again. It's from the Microsoft. Click on that and you can download the way we have already started the Windows Server, right? You can see it. The size of this is 20 GB. But let me take you to another link. Just a minute. So let us see if we have, we have another link out here from Microsoft again. So we'll click on, open it on a different tab. So you can see here you need to select the machine. So I'm selecting the Windows 10, and you have to select the platform. I will definitely going to use the Hyper-V. So I'll select the Hyper-V. If you are using the VMware, you have to select VMware or VirtualBox, whatever it is your. So I'm using Hyper-V. So I'm going to click on the select the Hyper-V, and just you have to click on the download zip. So according to this, you can download the operating system for your computers and for your servers. So this is the way. This was the first video where I have shared the links. Definitely I'll put that link directly into the description, so that you can easily download the entire thing. So guys, I hope you like the video, and definitely the day we will move forward, the practical experience will be enhanced, right? So see you in the next video. Till then, stay safe. If you are new to my channel, press the bell icon, and so press the subscribe button, and do not forget to press the bell icon. See you in the next video. Till then, stay safe. Goodbye.